Number 5. Oster Gentle Paws Dog and Cat Nail Grinder. 2-speed. Designed for pets, whisper quiet rotary tool. For stress-free pet nail trimming. Adjustable safety guard helps ensure you don't trim too far. And captures filings for less mess. Works on all breeds of cats and dogs with a powerful 2-speed design. Includes everything you need to effectively trim your pet's nails. Number 4. Dremel Pet Grooming Kit. World's first 45-degree paw guide assures the correct angle for success when trimming your pet's nails. The attachment captures nail dust and contains a fur guard with a clear cap for easy viewing. Contains a simple hinge for easy cleaning and assembly. 2 speeds. Save money by eliminating recurring grooming fees. Cordless tool can be used for both pet nails and light-duty projects. Charge time, 3 hours. Material, high-density plastic. Number 3. Andis 2-speeds Animal Nail Grinder. 2 speeds normal and turbo to quickly trim your pet's nails. Rechargeable lithium-ion battery. Great for small and medium-sized pets. Equipped with a fine grit grinding stone. And includes premium finishing stone. Number 2. Electric Dog Nail Grinder by Hertzko. Gentle, painless paws grooming, trimming, shaping, and smoothing. For small, medium, and large dogs, cats, rabbits, and birds. Portable and rechargeable, includes USB wire. Safe and effective. This pet nail grinder is manufactured with diamond bit grinder, which is safer and more effective than nail clipper to trim pet nails, reducing the risk of clipping the claws too short or hurt your pet. Great nail grinder to use for small and large dogs, cats, rabbits, and birds. Super mute motor. This pet nail trimmer is especially designed with low noise and low vibration, making your pet no fear to time their nails. Number 1. Wahl Professional Animal Nail Grinder. Pet, dog, and cat ultimate nail grinder. Ideal for trimming, shaping, smoothing, and grinding nails on all large and small pets. Completely maintenance-free, quiet and lightweight. For easier grooming. Ergonomic design with finger grips. For added comfort and control.